No, I'm not gonna do that on camera, unless you ask me to.
Yeah, alright.
Can
What's
you
up,
get
guys?
out of my face?
It's your boy, Nox, Inc., Nix, whatever you want to call me. I just want to say this is... Yes, I changed my YouTube name many times. But, anyways... This series is heavily based off of a retake. This is a retake on the analog horror series, which is really good called Weird Birds. Definitely watch it. But anyways, this is gonna be a retake in our version. I'm not gonna copyright the music. That'll be so much trouble. But yeah, anyways, we have Solver. He's back. He's the protagonist.
What's up?
I think.
Should I talk in my Russian accent, or should I talk
Please don't. Please don't.
Why?
I'm begging.
Niet.
Okay. We have Lily. I don't know why her name tag is off.
What's up?
Hello, and we have
It's all the way in the sky.
him. Just, yeah. But anyways, if you guys...
Who did that?
But anyways, if you guys are interested in more dinosaur content, Transformer stuff, whatever, like and subscribe, or...
Yeah.
Alright guys, so about the minor situation, but like, I don't know, who brought us here? Not it.
Not it.
It was you. You brought us here, didn't you?
Why'd you bring us here?
Why'd you bring us here? Why'd you bring us? Okay, guys. So who wants to go first to look for that awfully dastardly smell? Well, you know what they say, ladies first. So after you.
I got Phantom Pain too.
Fine.
Thank you.
All right.
No,
so ladies first. Okay, guys.
Shut up. I was touching your vagina.
Shut up. Okay, I'm gonna go in the woods. Please don't step on any branches. Can you guys come with me?
Hey. I'm right here. What the hell is that?
Go. No, that's not a... No, hide upstairs. In here.
God. My tail.
What was that? Why'd you bring
there, idiot?
Why'd you bring us here? Why did you bring us here? Why?
You guys suggest it.
No, I didn't! So, like,
He likes
we
that.
suggested to go to the beach. Why'd you bring us here? Yeah.
I don't know. I thought it was gonna be like a nice, calm place. I mean, it's a cabin.
There's no outlet, bro. I need to charge my phone. Like,
You know what? I might just skin this woman alive.
No.
Okay.
No.
Guys, I'm just gonna go back to
You're
bed and
looking
see
very
nothing
tasty.
happens.
It's a bit creepy.
Don't look outside. Don't look outside, but there's a giant Jeff Bezos looking right at us. Shut up. That's what we need to do. Shut up. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna cut Lily's tail off, and we're gonna give it to that creature. We're gonna cut Lily's tail off.
Okay.